Kids, let's learn to wait and be patient. In this story, we will see how Max learns that waiting patiently makes playtime kinder and more fun. It was a bright, sunny day. Max and Bobo were having fun at the playground. Bobo was taking his turn on the slide, and Max wanted to go next. Max moved closer and thought, "I want my turn right now." Waiting felt hard for Max, and he started to feel frustrated. Then Max stopped and thought. He knew he should wait kindly for his turn. Max waited patiently, and soon Bobo kindly showed him that it was his turn. At last, Max got his turn, and he felt so happy and proud. Max learned that waiting kindly makes playtime fair, happy, and fun for everyone. In this story, Pandi learns to wait in line. Pandi, Bobo, and Luna visit a warm bakery. Pandi feels excited to choose a treat. Pandi sees colorful treats in the display case and wants to go closer right away. Pandi wants to go straight to the counter, but Bobo notices that there is a line. Bobo gently explains that friends wait in line, so everyone gets a fair turn. Pandi waits in line with Bobo and Luna. Waiting feels calm and fair. Soon, it is Pandi's turn. Pandi asks politely at the counter. Pandi uses kind words and chooses a treat. Bobo and Luna feel proud. Pandi learned that waiting in line is kind and fair. The friends enjoy the bakery together. In this story, Pengi learns to wait for a turn. Pengi sees the big red slide and feels excited to play. Max is already near the slide, waiting nicely for a turn. Pengi feels so excited that Pengi almost rushes to the slide. Bobo gently reminds Pengi that friends wait for their turn. Pengi waits calmly while Max gets ready for the slide. Max takes a turn while Pengi waits patiently. After waiting, Pengi gets a turn on the slide. Pengi learns that waiting for a turn makes playtime happy for everyone. In this story, Bobo learns to wait for food to cool. It was snack time, and Bobo felt excited to eat. Bobo leaned closer because the snack looked yummy. Luna gently reminded Bobo to wait for the food to cool. Max helped Bobo notice the steam rising from the bowl. Bobo took a deep breath and waited patiently with his friends. After waiting, Bobo checked if the food was cooler now. Bobo could enjoy the food safely once it was cool enough. Bobo felt proud because waiting helped the food cool down. In this story, Max learns to sit nicely on table. Max, Bobo, Luna, and Pengi sat together for a fun classroom activity. Max was excited and started moving around on the chair. Max leaned too far across the table, and it became harder for the friends to work comfortably. Bobo gently reminded Max to keep the chair still and sit nicely at the table. Luna showed Max how to face the table, keep calm, and leave space for friends. Max slowed down and tried sitting properly. Now everyone could enjoy the activity more comfortably. Max felt proud for learning how to sit calmly and safely at the table. Hope you enjoyed this story. Subscribe to Bobo and Friends for gentle preschool stories about kindness, safety, and good habits.